Good morning or good afternoon. The famous Brazilian author and writer Paulo Coelho published a story. There was a man reading a newspaper. His son did not stop pestering and annoying him and harassing him. The man felt really interrupted by his son's behavior, so he tore off a piece of newspaper that contained the map of the world and gave it to his son, thinking that he will spend some time playing around that map to piece it back together. 15 minutes didn't pass until the son returned with the map of the world pieced together. The father was really astonished and asked his son, "Did your mother teach you geography?" The son replied intuitively, "No, my dad, but there was a picture of a man on the back of the map. When I reconstructed the man, I reconstructed the world." Even though that the son's response was spontaneous, but it had so many deep meanings that when we reconstruct the man and build the real generation of children, we can build the world and piece it and reconstruct it together. Thank you very much.